What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And today, hope you enjoy my Sprizzy review for 2020. So let's go and dive right in. So yeah, guys, here I am on the front page of Sprizzy, and if you're not familiar with Sprizzy, in a nutshell, what it is it'll actually promote your videos on YouTube's platform and other networks in order to gain more views for your channel. I've used this about 4 or 5 times, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this if you're looking to actually do that. This is more beneficial for people that actually have an established channel. Reason being, if you're not monetized already, these views will not count. But if you do have an affiliate offer in your description, there's still a way for your viewers to actually access that link even without you being monetized. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper. So basically, I'll click on how it works so you can see all the different questions that you might have. So what is Sprizzy? I've already described that, blah, blah, blah. How much does it cost? It starts at 50 bucks, and that'll get you about 2,000 views. A lot of you people are probably just wondering, hey, I just started a YouTube channel. Can this help me accelerate my growth to where I get my 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watch hours? Unfortunately, Sprizzy is not the best platform for you to use in order to reach that milestone of getting monetized. Just to show you right here, let's see, where was it at? Do views from Sprizzy count toward watch time? So I'm gonna click on that. It says views. It says that views from Sprizzy will count toward your watch time, which can be beneficial by ranking higher on YouTube. Blah blah blah. However, views do not count toward the 4,000 public watch hours needed for monetization. This is a standard for any promotion through Google/YouTube ads. So, in a nutshell, what that means is that if you're monetized, yes, it counts. If you're not monetized, no, it doesn't. So, unfortunately, again, if you're trying to get monetized, of course, hitting that 1,000 subscriber / 4,000 watch hour milestone, you don't want to go this route. You'll be burning your money. A lot of people think that, including me. I thought that at first until I started reading this, and then I found out that it doesn't. But yet I still use this platform to help get me affiliate leads and affiliate commissions, and we'll go into that here in a minute. But I just want to let you know, if you are looking to use this platform in order to get monetized, do not do it. Because, well, I'm not gonna say do not do it. I'm just saying that this platform will not help you hit that milestone because of that. But it's a little bit deeper. But when you do get monetized, feel free to use this because it says right here, can I promote monetized videos? Will I earn money through the promotion? And yes, you can. You can promote any monetized video, and yes, you earn revenue from the promotion itself. So if you're in an industry like mine where you're making money online or in real estate or any kind of like business oriented niche, your CPMs, which is cost per 1,000 views, will be like around $15 to $50 per CPM, meaning that you'll get paid $15 to $50 per 1,000 views. You could basically profit using Sprizzy after you get monetized. Of course, again, based on what your video is about. Of course, it fluctuates every single day of how much money that YouTube gives you for your content. But in a nutshell, if you're talking about money in general, because advertisers will pay more money to YouTube to put their ad on your video if you're talking about a specific topic, therefore they pay you more. And if you're paying less than what you get back by using Sprizzy, then hey, go for it. Check it out. Are the views guaranteed? Yes, they are guaranteed. And but they cannot guarantee subscribers, likes, and comments. They can't do that, but they can guarantee the views. Again, I've done it like 4 or 5 times, and they always go like above what they say they're gonna give you, which is really, really good. Let's see. Scrolling through. There's a money back guarantee if you choose to use this method. And yeah, you don't need a Google Ads account. Don't need to do that. If you want to, let's see, where is it at? Yeah, promote multiple videos at once. You can do that as well. So if you're monetized, you want to promote like 5 at once, you just blast them. Go for it, so you can get more views on your videos. They don't use bots, so it's 100% real. Let's see, how long does it take? It says once you're submitted. This is a lie. It's not typically 24 hours. It's more or less, I'm gonna say 3 to 4 hours, or 3 to 4 days before your campaign gets started. Only because that, so on their end, they set it up within 24 hours, but then Google has to review your video and your ads, or their ads that they're creating for you, and that takes about 2 to 3 days, or even 3 to 4 days. I've seen it last pretty long. So just FYI, if you're looking to actually promote it out, like if you think it's going to get promoted that same day, it will not. Just give you a heads up. So give yourself enough lead time in order to get your campaign started and going. And then let's see. So which type of videos should generate the best results? All right. So after doing like 4 or 5 promotions, I've noticed that none of them really get any clicks in my description. So, and I've commented within the videos to comment or to link down below, or to click on the link down below in the description. It's never happened. But I do see a lot of people using Sprizzy for music videos. So if you're a musician watching this and you're trying to get more coverage for your song or for a music video, this is definitely the platform that you want to use, because it's highly touted to use for musicians and artists, because it's so effective. But for affiliate marketers or any kind of person that's in like make money online or home businesses, this is probably not the right platform for you to use. 100% I would use YouTube ads over Sprizzy, even though Sprizzy somewhat uses YouTube ads, and we'll go over that here in a second on what they use or how they deploy their ads. But I would definitely use this platform if I was an artist, like 100%. So let's go ahead and see. All right, so okay, where does Sprizzy put your video? So in a nutshell, it puts it everywhere, everywhere that you really don't want it to be. That's the only thing that sucks about Sprizzy. Hopefully later on they adjust this, but they put your video on pre-roll videos or pre-roll ads, and they also put your video on so I'll just show you real quick. Let's just go to, let's go to this. So here we go. So this would be like an ad that would show up for you. If you're running Sprizzy ads, it would show up right here. And then of course it would show up in pre-roll. So pre-roll would be, let's see, like it would show up. Let me just rewind this. Like right now. So it would show up right here. So if your video is like 10 minutes long, it's not built to be in a pre-roll. It's way too long. That's the only thing I hate about Sprizzy, is that you can't select what or where you want your ad to show up. It sucks. It's so frustrating. So I think that's the reason why I wasn't getting a lot of clicks, because it will show up in a pre-roll and the video is long as hell. It's like, why the hell would somebody want to watch a 10-minute video on a pre-roll? No, it needs to be like 10 to 30 seconds, maybe 2 minutes at the most for a pre-roll video. But yet they're still rolling out a 10-minute video, your 10-minute video on a pre-roll. That's, no, I don't want to do that. But yet it just spreads out everywhere so they can get the most views for you. So again, a music video or a song is like, 2 to 3 minutes, which is like perfect for it. But if you're not trying to do that, it kind of sucks. So again, I'm gonna walk you through this real quick. Let's just go ahead and take you through step by step how this works. So I'm going to log in real quick. So this is 2 promos that I was trying to push out. So if you're a ClickBank affiliate, you already know what's up. Ted's woodworking. I was trying to push this out to see if I can get any clicks and any sales. And then I have the custom keto diet. I have one of the reviews that they actually provided you an affiliate link that you can use for whatever you want. And I try to use that on Sprizzy. So let's see if I'm going to click on this. Probably not. It's all good. Oh, here we go. So again, what happens is you'll show up in YouTube search, which will show up at the top, which I just showed you. Then you have YouTube related, which shows up right here on the right column. And you have one as a commercial, which shows up in a pre-roll, which I do not want. These 2 are fine, but not as a commercial. It sucks. I mean, like there's no. If you guys are watching this and you know a way to actually do that to where it's not showing up as a commercial, like hit me up, please, because otherwise I think I would optimize. I think I would convert more if it was just YouTube search and YouTube related, but unfortunately it's not, so it is what it is. Anyway, what happens is, let's just go through this, campaigns. Click promote new video. It's gonna select your channel. And then you're just gonna pick a video after it does that. So Ted's woodworking. So once you do that, it just again gives you like a review or a display of like how it's gonna show up on YouTube search, YouTube related, and as a commercial. And then if you just tell them like, well, again, list your campaign, I would just name it whatever your offer is or whatever the music video is. And then you would just click on what your primary goal is. Is it views? Is it page likes? Is it apps installs? Is it like comments, subscribers? For me, I try to get subscribers, but nevertheless, it doesn't usually work. But anyway, and then what I always choose is let Sprizzy build out and write my own ad for me. So then after that, click on that. I have tried the other one. It didn't really work out for me either. So, but anyway, and then you just put in your existing or keywords that you want. I just went ahead and used my existing keywords that I put in when I uploaded the video, because it automatically extracts the keywords from your video, from your YouTube channel, and puts them in for you. Or what you could do is do a mass edit for keywords. So you click on that, and then you would just type in like wood plans or like DIY, whatever. If you have like a huge massive list, you can just copy and then paste it right in here, and then just hit update keywords, and then it'll do it for you. And then you can also type in just one phrase if you want down here. Put Ted or whatever you want. And then after that, you can hit next step, budget. And typically what will happen is they'll give you like a little discount if you pay at a certain threshold, which is $100. But I think anything over $100, you'll get 10% off or 10% more views. And then you can select your start date. So one thing that you can try, I've never tried this before, but so you can set your start date. So let's say that your video is ready to go, and you're like, okay, as soon as my campaign or as soon as my video is uploaded, I want to start this campaign. So again, it takes 2 to 3 days. I say even 3 to 4 days sometimes for Sprizzy to upload, and then Google to review your ad, and then give you the green light. So give yourself like a week, and I would upload your video. Let's say, for example, what's today's date? It is the 18th. So let's say you start the 28th. So I will start this date on the 28th, like right here. And then what'll happen is since since YouTube's algorithm gives you more, I guess you'd call it video juice, within the first 24 hours of your video. So what you can do is schedule to upload on the 28th at 12:01 a.m. and then schedule this thing to pop off by that, because by that time you'll be approved and ready to go. It'll be ready to launch. And then so what'll happen is it'll help that your video go viral. I haven't tried this yet, but I've heard other people do this. I've tried to do it on Facebook, and it helps out a lot. It helps you get more views because people are seeing that content. You're getting so many views within the first 24 hours. So if you just line it up to where you're scheduling your video with Sprizzy, it should take off pretty fast. So, but I might try that here in a few. But again, I'm trying to monetize my channel right now. So again, those views don't count. So I might try that after the fact. But anyway, yeah, you can schedule out right here anytime that you want. And then once you do that, you can do faster, which banks it out 1 or 2 days, normal or slower. It's up to you. Then you just click save and continue. Then you'll be good to go. I don't want to, well, I'll just show you. Let's say budget is, it's like 105. Save and continue. And then right here, you select your card. And then it just shows you what your total views will be based on this amount. So 3,500 views or 4,600. It typically hits around like this number, then this number, every single time that I've done it. So for example, if I go in and back up my YouTube thing, so like right here, I did it for this on a different channel, or of course my brand channel, and I got 1458. You don't really get too many likes and comments on that when you pump it out, but you do get the views. Again, these views will not count toward my watch time until I get monetized. So I think I tried it on this one too, maybe, but I know I tried it on this one. But again, yeah, these views do not count toward my watch time whatsoever. So, but I mean, it is what it is. So, because I had I'll just show you. So I was trying to promote Advert Suite, which is a ad spy tool, so you can see what people are running on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google. You can like spy on your competitors to see what kind of ads that they're running. That way you can kind of mimic the same ads as them. But I was trying to promote that with this. No clicks, no sales. So every single time that I've done this, no clicks and no sales in the description. So so yeah, I'll just advise you that if you are doing this for affiliate marketing, don't do it. If you're trying to do it for monetization purposes, don't do it. But if you are monetized and you're in the music industry, you're an artist, I would suggest using Sprizzy. I've seen a lot of cool results from this. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my Sprizzy review for 2020. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can check it out. If you're curious and want to get more views and want to get more eyeballs for brand awareness for your channel. And yeah, hope this helps you out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.